Your home is connected to yourself. And how you, like, people are so quick to be like, I gotta get my space organized. And they're not always thinking about getting themselves organized.
For sure.
Like, that is integral. That's like a great piece of the puzzle, is sorting out your mental space and your emotional space about how you feel about your home or how you felt about homes. And
But can we also say that, like, getting organized isn't going to solve those problems? Like, yes, happy to come help you get your space in order, but many times.
That's how they sell it. They sell it like having a tidy home is the magic that will change your life. Getting your home together is what's going to solve all of your problems. You are going to be a happier person, a more perfect person, if you put this stuff away like this. You
like this,
solved
in this bin with this label,
in this way,
this way.
You'll be like me because I'm so perfect. That's what happens. And people do hire organizers expecting that their lives are going to change dramatically if they organize their linen closet.
Yeah. I mean, I hope it brings you joy after what I've done for you, right?
Yeah.
But girl, it's not going to
change your life.
Fix anything for you that's like beyond just opening the door and like being able to find things nicely and have it organized so that you can put it back and get it out and know where things are.
For how long if you're not together?
But how long is that going to last?
Yeah.
If
you haven't
it's
done the work.
Chaos all in here.
So much of clutter has to do with where you're at mentally. Even if I come in and organize it, if you're not on board, like, you may call me, but if you're not mentally ready to do the work that it takes to sustain the systems or even to be able to process them, then it's kind of moot, I think.
Because it is.
If you enjoyed what you were listening to, please check out my book, What Stays and What Goes. All right, until next time.